Italian-inspired dream home in Encino, California. This Mediterranean-style mansion offers over 16,000 square feet of living space, a spectacular 3,000 square feet entertainment veranda, and 2,200 square feet of covered patio. The home, set high above the San Fernando Valley, overlooking rooftops and twinkling lights, with a backdrop of undulating mountains, it is uniquely positioned to deliver an unobstructed, spectacular scenery. The stunning estate was designed by renowned architect Ronald Firestone and built on a 1.3-acre lot in 1992 with iconic and airy architectural style. The entertainer's dream home is a lavish showcase of master craftsmanship and boasts exceptional amenities, including a 30-foot-tall light-filled entry hall, large formal rooms and opening to patios, a circular bar room lined with French doors, a large formal dining room, and a spacious kitchen with terrace-side breakfast room set the lavish tone, along with a dumbwaiter, elevator, and indoor racquetball basketball court. Perhaps no space is quite as enchanting as the expansive master suite, with intricate moldings, a romantic fireplace, and 3 sets of French doors that open out to one of the home's many terraces and a jetliner view. Views are equally dramatic throughout the home, with fine architectural details to match. There are 7 bedrooms and 11 bathrooms, a private paradise. The exterior grounds include over 1,300 square feet of balcony space, a resort-style yard, an infinity pool, tennis court, waterfalls, and immaculate landscaping.